Hey there, it's the Yard Buddha, and today I would like to do a unboxing and review of this Field King professional backpack sprayer, which I've finally decided to upgrade from this tiny 2-gallon sprayer. I actually have two of these. One I just use for Roundup, and the other one I use for other sorts of non-lethal sprays. And Tucker has told me that I need to get a better sprayer, so I'll listen to him, and this is what I have come up with. I bought this off Amazon for probably like 75 bucks. All right, I just took it out of the box, and these are all the parts. You got the big backpack sprayer, you got your hand pump attachment, you got your wand, you got your manual, and you have your 4 attachments, the brass one, and it's kind of nice. They even give you another kind of base to the brass one and another washer, because they probably assume that most people are going to be using that all the time. That's your low pressure regulator, and then the bolt to attach the hand pump onto whatever side that you want. And that's the front. Spin around, show you the back. The straps look nice and sturdy. And then this is the storage area right there for the wand. And because it says professional, that means even all of us amateurs will immediately be professionals. Probably not. So I'm gonna do a little flow test here out on my front driveway. Fill this thing up with water and spray it, and then maybe fill this one up with water and spray a side-by-side, just to see what sort of flow that we have coming out of here. Alright, before I do my flow test, I just want to show it fully assembled here. I put the arm crank here down, pump handle. All it does is has a threaded bolt with a lock nut on the bottom, 13 millimeter. It just goes right down on there. Then you just install the wand. I installed the brass tip. I did weigh this, and it actually weighs about 9.5 pounds, which is pretty light, I think. So let's go out in my driveway and we'll show a little flow test. Okay, so the comparison test I wanted to do between these two is just to basically see how long it takes to spray a certain area. And so I've got both of these filled up with about 2 gallons of water, and I'm going to spray my driveway here just with water. I'm going to spray this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patch of driveway. Because that one sprayer had some Roundup in it, I'm not going to get near my grass over there, so I'm going to leave a little edge. But let me spray and time this first one here first, and we'll do the other one later. Okay, so that took me about 6.5 minutes. I tried to be as efficient as I could and go as quickly as I could just to get a nice even cover area. So I'm gonna just let this dry off a little bit. It's a nice hot sunny day, so this shouldn't take very long. And then let's break out the Field King Professional. All right, so the time came out to be 6 minutes and 30 seconds for the little 2-gallon hand pump one, and then this one was 4 minutes and 15 seconds, 10 seconds. So over 2 minutes faster. This is, I did measure it out, it's probably 450 square feet. And right now I'm loving it. It's got these straps down here on the bottom to go around your waist. It's got a chest strap to go on the top, and I have had a bad back in the past and I greatly appreciate those, but right now this is as smooth can be. So right now, A+ on the Field King Professional. Thanks for watching. I did a review on a Scott's Elite spreader too. If you want to see that, I'll link it. But so far, so good. We're moving up in the ball game. Professional. See you later.